For centuries, humans have felt a deep connection to the natural sounds of rain and thunder. The rhythmic patter of rainfall, combined with the low rumbles of thunder, has the unique ability to soothe the mind, calm the body, and restore inner balance. In today's modern, fast-paced world filled with constant noise, stress, and stimulation, these sounds act as a powerful natural therapy that can help us sleep deeply, meditate more effectively, and relax completely. Listening to 8 hours of heavy rain and thunder sounds creates an immersive environment that mimics a serene night storm outside your window. This uninterrupted soundscape offers the perfect atmosphere for sleep, meditation, relaxation, study, or even creative thinking. In this guide, we'll explore why these natural sounds are so effective, how they affect the brain and body, and how you can use them daily to improve your well-being. Rain sounds are considered a type of pink noise. Unlike white noise, which distributes sound energy equally across frequencies, pink noise is softer and more natural, with more energy at lower frequencies. This makes it gentle on the ears and more calming to the nervous system. Studies show that pink noise, such as rain, helps to synchronize brain waves, encouraging deeper stages of sleep and improving sleep quality. Reduce stress by lowering cortisol levels and calming the nervous system. Enhance focus by masking distracting background noises with a consistent, soothing rhythm. The addition of thunder introduces deeper, low-frequency sounds that resonate in the body. This contrast between the gentle patter of rain and the occasional rumble of thunder creates a natural ebb and flow, holding your attention just enough to prevent overthinking while still keeping you relaxed. The reason many rain soundtracks are created for 8 hours is because that matches the average recommended sleep cycle for adults. By playing throughout the night, the sound acts as a protective cocoon, shielding your mind from disruptions such as barking dogs, car horns, or neighbors moving around. With a consistent 8-hour loop, you fall asleep faster, you stay asleep longer, you wake up feeling more refreshed. For meditation or relaxation sessions, the extended length also allows you to play the sounds continuously in the background without interruption, creating a timeless and immersive atmosphere. Millions of people struggle with insomnia or restless sleep due to anxiety, racing thoughts, or environmental noise. Rain sounds create a steady, predictable audio environment that helps the brain relax and let go. Instead of focusing on silence, which can amplify inner thoughts, or sudden noises, which can wake you, the gentle storm sounds act as a shield. This improves both sleep onset, falling asleep faster, and sleep maintenance, staying asleep through the night. The mind interprets rain as a signal of safety. Historically, heavy rainfall meant that people could rest, as predators were less active and nature was calm. Listening to rain today can recreate that same sense of comfort and protection. Combined with thunder's grounding rumble, it helps wash away stress and release built-up tension in the body. For students, writers, or remote workers, background rain sounds can create a powerful concentration tool. The constant rhythm masks distractions like conversations, traffic, or household noises, making it easier to stay in a flow state. Many people use 8-hour rain tracks while studying, coding, or working creatively. Meditation is about bringing attention to the present moment, often through breath or sound. Rain naturally provides a focus point, helping beginners and experienced meditators alike. The sound encourages slow, deep breathing, grounding you in your body and allowing thoughts to drift away like raindrops flowing into the earth. Nature sounds, especially rain, activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest, healing, and digestion. This counteracts the fight-or-flight response that keeps many people trapped in cycles of anxiety and overthinking. By listening regularly, you can train your body to relax more easily and reduce symptoms of stress-related mental health challenges. People with tinnitus, ringing in the ears, often find relief with rain sound therapy. The constant rainfall masks the inner ringing, making it less noticeable. Similarly, those who are sensitive to environmental noise find comfort in the blanket of consistent sound. The experience of night rain carries its own special magic. Unlike daytime rain, nighttime storms are often associated with quiet stillness, coziness, and rest. Imagine lying in bed, warm under a blanket, while outside the rain falls steadily and thunder rolls in the distance. This creates a sense of cozy safety. You're protected indoors while nature unfolds outside. Timelessness, with no distractions, only the storm, time seems to slow down. Natural lullaby, the rhythm of rain mimics a soothing heartbeat, reminding the body of comfort and security. When combined with darkness, the brain naturally produces melatonin, the sleep hormone, making night rain the perfect sleep aid for sleep. Set your device to play the 8-hour soundtrack at a comfortable volume. Keep the sound just loud enough to mask disturbances, but not so loud that it becomes distracting. Use headphones, a speaker, or a white noise machine depending on preference. For meditation, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on the rainfall. Breathe slowly and imagine the rain washing away stress and tension. If your mind wanders, gently return to the sound of the rain. For relaxation, play rain sounds during a bath, yoga session, or before bedtime reading. Combine with dim lighting, candles, or essential oils for a full relaxation ritual. For focus and work, use rain sounds in the background while studying, working from home, or writing. The consistent sound prevents distractions and keeps you in flow. For stress and anxiety relief, during moments of overwhelm, put on headphones and listen to rain for 10 to 20 minutes. Close your eyes and picture yourself safe inside a cabin during a thunderstorm to deepen the experience. You can combine the sound with visualization. Picture yourself in a quiet forest cabin. Outside, heavy rain is falling, creating ripples in puddles and streams. Thunder rolls gently in the distance, grounding you in the moment. Inside, you are safe, warm, and peaceful. With each breath, imagine the rain washing away tension, stress, and worry. This practice can enhance both meditation and sleep, making the sounds even more powerful. Heavy rain and thunder sounds are more than just background noise. They are a form of natural therapy. An 8-hour soundtrack creates an uninterrupted, immersive environment that promotes deep sleep, meditation, focus, stress relief, and emotional healing. In a world filled with artificial noise and constant stimulation, the return to nature's rhythm is profoundly healing. Whether you're lying in bed drifting to sleep, meditating for inner calm, or simply relaxing after a long day, the sound of night rain and thunder can guide you into a state of peace and renewal. The next time you find yourself restless, anxious, or unable to concentrate, press play on a storm soundscape and allow yourself to be carried into tranquility.